RSS was banned for 1 year. We are ABVP.
బ్రాహ్మణిజంలో విషం దప్పనిజం లేదు.
I don't think you can separate caste from any premium institute. It's become institutionalized also.
దళితుడా దళితుడా దళిత భూమి బిడ్డడా ఆది భారతీయుడా సింధు నది తీరాల్లో నగరాలు సృష్టించిన మొదటి నాగరికుడా దళితుడా దళితుడా. ఇట్ ఈస్ దళిత్స్ who have built this nation.
Ambedkar Association is a very strong association which questions the heart of Hindutva. This questioning of Hindutva is definitely not bearable for right people.
Sushil always had this hate towards Rohit.
बाहर निकाल के अपमान करके, बाहर निकाल के अपमान करके दिखाई है गुंडा शादी, दिखाई है गुंडा शादी.
It's like a village caste panchayat which is giving out its decision. You are not supposed to be seen in this Brahmin lane.
This is not morality. This is not justice.
గజ్జల మోత మా గజ్జల మోత ఈసి రాణి గుండెల్లో కాంబుల మోత మా డప్పుల మోత ఇలా నమ్మ గుండెల్లో.
It is in the interest of the state to not make any intervention about what the university should do intellectually.
Apparao is an individual who has been supported by his Kamma lobby, supported by another Beta Kamma who is sitting in Delhi. Is this Hyderabad Central University or Kamma Central University?
If you want to end the caste discrimination, burn all the Shastras and we stand by it. एबीवीपी ने टेस्टिंग ग्राउंड पे अपने प्रयोग को सफल किया है. ये प्रयोग किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है.
எல்லாரும் ஒண்ணாக வேண்டிய தருணம் இது. ஏன்னா நம்ம ஈக்குவாலிட்டியை பேசுறோம்.
They want to eliminate these people who talk about minorities.
His politics is a politics of courage.
Entire anti-caste struggle is rewriting. That is Rohit.
They have separated my body and soul. Their Shankaracharya could not understand this philosophy. But Rohit is a far greater philosopher. He is only a child of Gautam Buddha today.
Don't call me a victim. I am the fluttering flag of defiance. Invoke me into a horse. I shall raise again and again on this land like a grappling inferno.